friend, welcome to my channel, Cat Eye Glamour, our little hangout where we can be the most glamorous versions of ourselves. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, lifestyle, all that. Subscribe. Okay guys, so I'm back. I don't know if anyone noticed, but last week I took off. Like, I didn't post any videos last week, so I just took that time off, but I'm back, full effect, ready to talk about this pink hair. Okay, I recorded myself coloring this hair, and girl, this is a color that is very much out of my comfort zone. And while I was coloring the hair, which I do have footage, I was really second guessing, like, do you really want to do this? Do you really want to wear pink hair? Do you really want to do this? And you know, I thought to myself, girl, commit. I was so afraid of the color, but I decided to commit because I work from home. Like, who's gonna see it? My husband, my son, the lady from Walgreens. I mean, no one's gonna really see it, so I figured, why not do it, see what happens. I cut it in this short cute bob because with all this color, I couldn't wear this hair long. I would never wear pink hair down my back because it's just not my kind of look. So I thought maybe a short cute bob would really like dress it up, and I feel like it did. It added some class to this pink hair. Okay, and you know, I'm not gonna lie, when I first put it in, I didn't like it. I did not like it, and I kept looking at it. You know how you like kind of like, oh girl, I don't know, but you know, it's growing on me now. Yeah, it's growing on me. I feel like this mirror inspired me to do my hair like this, and my nails. Okay, this mirror inspired me. This is a custom mirror. One of my friends, her name is Boss of Bling on Instagram. I'm gonna tag all her information. She customized and blings out anything. Okay, so this is my mirror that she did for me. I didn't give her any direction, but I mean, she knows me personally, so she would know what I would like. So this is it. It also lights up. I don't want to blind you, but this does light up here. Let me just, so it does light up. So this is a bomb mirror, no lie. I'll leave her information below. So if you want something blinged out, click that link. I'll direct you to her Instagram where you can place an order. She is booked for August, but try to get at her after August. You know, the holidays are coming up, so get at my friend. Don't play with my friend. Don't play. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see the footage of me coloring the hair. This is like 3 different types of pink. So I'll let you see that. You see that it's darker up here, but beneath the bottom I have some neon pink, some cotton candy pink, girl, and it's a lot going on, but it ended up being cute when put together. So go ahead and watch the tape, and then I'll come back. All right, so here is the bundles. Now, this was previously colored hair. This was like a dark blonde, brownish color that I had before with dark roots, and one bundle of the 613 bleach blonde. All right, and these are the 3 colors that I use, which are cotton candy, fruit punch, and neon pink by Adore. So I use those 3 colors because I wanted variation in my hair. I didn't really want just a flat pink color. I wanted it to have a lot of dimension, so that's why I chose that. All right, and all I did was co-wash the hair after coloring it. So here I have the hair separated with the darker blonde, darker roots, and a little piece of ash blonde that you can see there. So I just separated it into sections because it'll help break up the different colors that I'm going to go ahead and put in. So I always do that, kind of section it off to help kind of organize it a bit. The first color that we're going to start with is that neon pink. As you can see, I am going to put that on every other strip. I'm going to brush that in with just a regular black dyeing brush, and that's what you're going to see throughout this clip. I'm just going to go to every other section and put the neon pink. In the other 2 sections, I just put the fruit punch color on it. Now it's up to you how you want to break it up. Like if you want more of the neon pink or more of the cotton candy or the fruit punch, it's all up to you. I was just randomly selecting pieces and just mixing it up. That's essentially what it's about. It's just mixing the colors up, so when I put the hair in, I have a lot of dimension and I don't look, you know, just like a flat or one shade color in my hair. Alright, so I'm going to put that cotton candy on that darker shade of blonde that I had. I love this cotton candy color. I would definitely do this again with a dark shade of blonde and then do the cotton candy because it's such a pretty soft shade of pink. So I might try that in the future. Look out. So this is the 613 bundle, which is just literally a very cheap bundle of hair that I got from my local beauty supply, and I mixed that in with the darker shade. So the majority of this hair was on the bottom, you know, so that's where I got those brighter colors from, because this shade was so light to begin with. So I'm just spreading out that fruit punch. The fruit punch color was so bright on this hair. I was, honestly, at this point, I was so scared. So scared. Okay, and that was the cotton candy. I don't know if you saw it, but that was the cotton candy shade that I just put next to the fruit punch. So we're just going to brush that in. So it's very repetitive. I'm just, you know, breaking up my colors. One section is color, another section the other color. Like I said before, it's up to you, the variation that you want. So depending on how much brightness you want to come through or how light of a color you want to come through, you can figure out how you want to place it. But this is a great technique. It's easy. As you can see, it's nothing too professional. I don't even have on gloves, girl, because this is semi-permanent color. So I mean, it's nothing too easy. It's like, why not experience? Why not experiment? Okay, and that was the neon pink that I just put next to the cotton candy. I am flipping the bundles on the other side just so I can follow that very same pattern and make sure the color is saturated and make sure it, you know, reaches all the strands that I need it to reach. So that's why I flipped it over, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps. This is the color with the dye still in it. So this is the hair just sitting and marinating, and you can see how bright it is. So you can see why I was so afraid. So afraid, girl. Oh my God. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up and leave it in a plastic bag and let it just kind of marinate. Okay, so after leaving it in that bag for about an hour, this is how it looks when I washed it. You can see the darker pink on the left. You can see the variation of the fruit punch and the cotton candy, the neon pink. Oh, it looks so scary right here though. It looks so scary, but like you saw in the beginning of the video, it came out cute. You know, I went ahead and just took that risk because, I mean, I'm in the house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that footage, and I hope it was easy to follow along with. Like, again, I only used 3 colors only, but I used 3 pink colors to get this color. If you try it, let me know. If there's a color that you think would look good on me and you think I should try it, suggest it, because I tried pink hair. Okay? Let me know. If you have some requests, let me know. I may be willing to try it. I'm not going to promise you anything, okay? I'm not going to promise you. But the chances are pretty high because, like I said, I have pink hair. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you have any questions, you know, leave them below. I linked everything below. So if you want to try this little strawberry shortcakey type of, you know, let me know. I want to see. All right. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I don't want you playing with me. I'm tired of you playing with me. Don't play with me. Okay. Bye.